Hey everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video and we're starting with something that matters most. Money. 2025 is not about excuses anymore. It's about action. If you're ready to finally fix your finances and build real freedom, you're in the right place. Let's be honest. Most of us said this year I'll fix my money more than once and never really did. But listen, 2025 is different. The economy is changing fast. Prices are rising. Side hustles are becoming normal. And if you don't take control of your finances now, things won't magically fix themselves. In this video, I'm breaking down a real 5-step plan that will help you take control of your money, even if you're starting from zero. No clickbait, no fake hacks. Just real actions that actually work in 2025. So, grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's fix your money, once and for all. The first step is simple, but it's the foundation of everything. You need to know where your money goes. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a tracking problem. Think about it. If I asked you, how much did you spend on food last month? Or, how much on subscriptions? Most people can't answer. And that's exactly why money disappears so easily. So here's what you do. For the next 30 days, track every single expense. Rent or bills. Groceries. Coffee. That late night online shopping. Write it all down. You can use free tools like Notion templates, Money Manager app, Google Sheets. When you finally see where your money leaks, you'll realize it's not the big things, it's the small habits draining you. Awareness creates control, and control creates confidence. This step alone can change your entire financial life. Once you know where your money's going, it's time to tell it where to go. That's called budgeting. Now, don't roll your eyes. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about direction. You can't reach a goal if your money doesn't have a plan. The simplest and most powerful method is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs like rent, food, bills. 30% for wants like Netflix, outings, hobbies. 20% for savings or investments. But let's be real, inflation hit everyone. So tweak it if needed. Try 60/25/15 or even 70/20/10 depending on your situation. The key is balance, not perfection. When you give every rupee or dollar a job, you stop wasting it. You'll notice that when your money finally has direction, you feel peace, not guilt, when you spend. Budgeting isn't about cutting out fun. It's about making sure your fun doesn't destroy your future. Now that you've got a budget, step 3 is to protect it. You do that by building an emergency fund. Because here's the truth. Emergencies are what destroy most people's financial progress. You could be saving well, budgeting perfectly, but then your phone breaks, your car needs repair, or you lose your job. Boom, all your money's gone. So here's the plan. Start small. Your first goal is $500, or around 50,000 rupees. Keep it separate, not in your main bank account because you'll end up spending it. Once you hit that first target, build it up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Think of it as a financial safety net. It's not for shopping, it's not for holidays, it's for survival. This one habit will save you from going into debt again and again. And once you have this fund, you'll feel something new, financial confidence. You'll stop living in fear of what if. Okay, let's talk about debt, everyone's least favorite word. Debt is not evil. What's dangerous is ignoring it. And in 2025, interest rates are still high, so carrying debt is like dragging a heavy chain while trying to run. Here's how to fix it. There are 2 proven strategies. Keycap 1, the debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next one. You build motivation fast. Keycap 2, the debt avalanche method. Focus on the debt with the highest interest first. You save the most money long term. Both work. Pick the one that matches your personality. The snowball builds motivation, the avalanche saves money. Just stay consistent. And one rule, no new debt while paying off old ones. If you can't buy it twice, don't buy it once. In 2025, stop financing things that lose value. Buy peace, not payments. You've tracked your spending. You've built a budget. You've saved for emergencies. You've handled your debt. Now it's time for the fun part. Growing your money. Saving keeps you safe. Investing makes you free. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to build freedom over time. Start small. Even $10 or 1,000 rupees a month is enough. You can invest in index funds, mutual funds, yes, retirement accounts. Don't try to time the market, just spend time in the market. The earlier you start, the more your money grows through compound interest. Also, automate your investments. Set it to auto-debit every month so you never skip it. This way you're investing without even thinking about it. Over time, your money starts working for you, not the other way around. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Track your spending. Step 2. Make a real budget. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Step 4. Pay off debt smartly. Step 5. Start investing. These aren't magic tricks, they're real steps. But they only work if you do. No one's coming to save your finances. Not your job, not luck, not the government. Your decisions. Your discipline. Your mindset. 2025 can either be another year of maybe next month, or it can be the year you finally take control of your money. So make this your money comeback year. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment Money Goal 2025 below. Let's build wealth together, one smart decision at a time.